airport na. Yes, unfortunately, konti lang ang mga cars. So, we're done with the check-in and usually, dito tayo papasok for immigration for international flights. Pero dahil business class tayo, medyo iba ang very busy, business class, APEC diplomat crew. So, dun tayo sa banda doon. So, that's one good thing kapag ka nag-business class ka is medyo iba yung entrance. Pakita ko later. So, you will see doon merong nakalagay na parang blue lane and in fact maglalabas ka dito. So, ganun talaga. Para kang lalabas. Pero kasi, dun sa kabila ang immigration entry. So, dyan. Katapat na katapat lang. Yung may OFW immigration blue lane. Dito rin ang entrance for business class, diplomat, airline crew, etc. etc. And promise guys, I think roughly 5 minutes andito na ako sa loob. So yan. Okay. Team Kenny. But for now, hanapin natin ang Marhaba Lounge para pag-relax ng konti. Not relax, pero at least somewhere to stay. And yes, hopefully wala namang masyadong tao and may spot for us. So yes, madaling araw basically and di ganun karami ang tao. So I guess that's good. Ang gate ko mamaya is 109, so papunta doon. But for now, I'm going to the lounge. So, ang airline lounges, usually nasa 4th floor pa na. Sa 3rd floor tayo ngayon. And nearest siya sa gate 114. Tara! Try natin sa Marhaba. So, medyo nandun lang siya sa bandang dulo. Nandun tayo galing. And then, yan yung sa may immigration. And yan yung sa baba. So, kung hindi tayo makakapag-lounge, hanap tayo dyan. Kung saan tayo pwede magstay. And apparently, may mga construction. Lakad na tayo papunta sa ating boarding gate. Supposed to be ang boarding is 5:05. It's currently 5:03, I think. So, since maglalakad pa, let's go! The way na. I think that's our plane. I don't know kung kita, pero boarding na tayo. Just in time. So, I'm finally here sa seat ko. Nilapag ko yung mesa, pero ayun, nandun yung bag ko sa ilalim. As you can see, ayan. Ayan yung pa ako. So, ganito yung mesa. So, really very spacious. Tapos you have big table here also. Actually, the seat, later, pakita ko yung seat. Very comfy as well. And, yeah. I'm so glad I'm facing the front. So, good thing. And there's the amenity. I will have a look at it later. Almost daytime. Hopefully later makatulog ako. That's the entryway. Medyo maliit. Pero pagpasok mo sa loob, it's really very spacious. So, casual, maliit lang naman siya. So you have the sink here. Maganda yung ano niya, backsplash niya. May lotion and I think hand wash. Tapos may mirror dyan, tissue. Here's the toilet. And then ito yung may mirror ulit dito. And when it's day lang, so here it is. Ito yung nabibigit niya. So meron pa siya. So yan, labas ko yung mga nakalagay. Yan naman yung nasa loob. Of course may toothbrush. Ito ay hand lotion. Ay, yung gumagalaw na yan, ano yan? Parang lip moisturizer, lip balm. This one is face mist, and that one, of course, the eye mask. So that's it. I mean, that's it. Bread is also good. Galing. And first time here in Abu Dhabi. So let's see. Taki ng airport nila. Hindi ko sure kung dahil ko konti lang ang tao sa ngayon. Pero okay, let's find our gate. Dito na ako sa Terminal A. I believe kasi dito naman kami. So kakatapos ko lang doon sa security area. And dito na, sa terminal. So maganda rin ang airport nila. In fairness. In fairness naman. Wala pa tayong gate, pero sure naman tayo na sa Terminal A tayo. Kaya yan. Doon tayo sa papunta doon. So we'll go towards that area. Para hindi na tayo sa Terminal A. Kung anong Terminal A man ba yun. So mukhang yun yung center ng airport. Kasi doon very busy, madaming stores. And dito naman, papunta na sa Gates A. Ayan, punta na sa Gates A. May McDo. Ito, may McDo dito. Punta ba tayo dyan? Pero, ayoko muna mong kumain. Anyway, mo kami mga upuan doon. So, I think I'll just find a seat and then dito na muna tayo. Yan ang flight ko. Going to Madrid. And apparently, we need to go to gate B22. So, yeah. Let's go then. Mas gusto ko na mas malapit ako sa gate ko kaysa mamaya I have no idea kung saan ako dapat pumunta. So, yun. Yun naman, very clear naman ang kanilang mga signages. So, papunta doon na Gates B. So, doon tayo pupunta. Tara! And since may time naman tayo, hindi nagmamadali. So, hindi na ako gumamit ng Walkalator. Helps with our steps counting. Of course, may mga stores in between. And yan, meron yung mga waiting areas na ganyan. So, yan no. So, almost after every gates, may mga ganyang waiting area. So, I'm sure meron tayong mapupwestuhan dun sa gate natin. And sana malapit din sa comfort room. Ay, ang galing. Ayan, no. May mga seats rito. So, if ever dalawa lang kayo, and it looks very comfy also. Kaya yan. Maraming seats. Again, konti lang naman yung tao. So, maluwag. Maraming spaces. Sa Dubai, ang hirap makakuha ng ganitong seats. Pero dito yan, ang dami. And then you also have here. Again, maraming spaces. And nandito rin yung comfort room. Ang lapit na. And then yung gate natin, technically. Not sure kung para saan yan. Plain na yan. Pero hindi naman sobrang malaki. Pero, yeah. Nice view dito sa waiting area. Yung gate. B22. Ito na. On our way to board flight number 2. So, yeah. Medyo maaga ako ngayon. Isa ako sa mga unang magbo-board. So, this is my seat, 8A. So, yan. Dahil isa ko sa mga nauna. So, this is my seat. There you go. So, when you enter from here, ano yung seat mo, which looks comfortable, parang pareho din nung kanina. And then, you have that, all the legroom there. So, yes. Window ulit tayo. I forgot to show, nabigyan na tayo ng welcome drink. So, I just got the orange juice. Ito naman ang menu for this flight. So, kanina breakfast. Ito, pang lunch, dinner, I would say. So, I choose the fish. Ang option ko kanina was the beef or the fish. And I ended up getting the fish. And of course, you have the bread. I think this is a salad. You have the butter. Olive oil. Bon appetit. And what I wanted to show is that kahit nandito na yung food mo, actually, if you want to go, let's say I need to go to the bathroom, I can still do. So yeah, let's play. So, I got this, I call this hazelnut bar. So,
Madrid.